Hello, I'm Realtor Erica Swallow, and we're here at Oakholm Brewing Company. This small batch brewery is located on a 116-acre farm and pours unique brews from this circa early 1900s timber frame barn taproom.
Hi, I'm Rick Predella, one of the three owners of Oakholm Brewing Company.
Hi, I'm Rick Predella, and I'm also one of the three owners of Oakholm Brewing Company.
Me and my wife purchased the farm, originally got a wedding venue up and running, and then we fell into the brewery with Andrew and my father, and that's when things kind of exploded. There's really a beer for everybody here.
Hi, my name's Andrew Woodward. I am co-owner and head of brewery operations here at Oakholm Brewing Company. Oakholm Brewing Company is a small 10-barrel microbrewery in Central Mass. When I got home from my deployment, I started brewing batches of beer in my backyard. Over time, the beers got better. I wanted to brew the best New England IPA I could. Crooked Post. That was the flagship. That was the beer that made the business kind of start. I've known Babe for a long time, and he tried it and was like, you know, your beer's really good, like, let's go after this, so. The taproom has 16 taps, and our outdoor beer garden has 12. So we do a lot of seasonal beers. We always do Oktoberfest. Our pumpkin carver is very popular. In the springtime, we always do our Irish red ale. Variety is the spice that we have here. You name it, we try to brew it. We don't want to just stick to the same 16 beers and just brew those every week. We want to try new things and let people experience all these new products and hops and yeast that are out there and available in the market.
I am actually Pup from Pup's Pizza. Our pizza chef tailors what we're going to have for pizza based on the beers that are out there. It's wood-fired, brick oven. It's a taste you don't find everywhere.
We now operate disc golf, food trucks, the brewery, wedding venues. We're a Christmas tree farm. We do sledding out back on Oakholm Hill.
This really is a destination brewery. You come out here and it's just gorgeous on a nice day.
Love to have everyone come experience it.
From the Fireside Porter to the Cows Over the Moon Milk Stout to the Slate Roof NEIPA, you'll find a well-rounded beer selection here at Oakholm Brewing Company, one of the best in the nest.